children, how are you? Very good. Have you finished your previous class homework? Additions, subtractions and prime numbers. So are you finished? Okay, once check your answers. So prime numbers, practice on 7. Prime numbers between 1 and 99. So prime numbers between 1 and 99. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 99? Check your answers, Nana. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So total 25 prime numbers are there in between 1 and 99. So what are the prime numbers between 1 and 99? Repeat once again. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So these are the prime numbers in between 1 and 99. Next question, odd numbers in between 11,000 and 11,025. Odd numbers in between 11,000 and 11,025. So what are the odd numbers between 11,000 and 11,025? So 11,001, 11,003, 11,005, 11,007, 11,009, 11,011, 11,013, 11,015, 11,017, 11,019, 11,021 and 11,023. So 11,000 is also a prime number, but we should not write because we are going to write in between 11,000 and 11,025. So don't write 11,025. These are the odd numbers between 11,000 and 11,025. Okay children? Next. From worksheet also I gave some questions, additions and subtractions. Are you finished with that additions and subtractions? So once open your worksheets children. These are the additions. Are you finished with these additions? Once again I will explain once you look after your answers. So 8 plus 6, 14. Very good. 7 plus 5 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1 is 15. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. Got this answer? If any mistakes are there means correct it. Otherwise leave. Okay. 5 plus 8, 13. 7 plus 2, 9. Plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1 is 12. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1 is 11. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1 is 11. Again 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 1 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 8, 17. Very good. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1 is 19. 8 plus 1 is 9. Good. Next 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. 5 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14. 3 plus 1 is 4. So once check your answers. Understood? So if any mistakes are there means correct it. You can pause the video and you can correct the answers. And next is subtractions also I gave. Subtractions 12th bit. So subtractions, additions completed now. Now subtractions. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 9 is 8 minus 9. Not possible. So borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 18 minus 9, 9. Very good. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 8 minus 7, 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Got this answer? Very good. Next 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible. We cannot subtract greater number from smaller one. So borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 4 minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 4. So 4 minus 5 is not possible. So borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7 and 14. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Check this answer also. And next go for next one. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 6. 16 minus 7 is, yes, it is 9. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 3. So 3 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Very good. It is 6. 2 minus 9 is not possible. Again borrow from 2. 1 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 1 minus 3 is not possible. So again borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay, next one. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. And next 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. Very good. Next problem. 3 minus 4. Is it possible? Not possible. So what we should do? Yes, borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 3 becomes 13. Why this 3 becomes 2 and 3, sorry, it is not 1, 2 is left. Understood? If you take 1 from 3, how much is left? 2 tens left. These are ones now. These are ones now. So we are taking 1 10. 1 10 from, we are taking 1 from tens place. So it becomes 10 ones. 1 10 is nothing but 10 ones now. So 10 ones, and already here 3 ones are there. So totally 13 ones. 13 minus 4 is 13 minus 4. Yes, it is 9. 2 minus 3. Not possible. So borrow from 2. Very good. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 minus 2. Again not possible. So take borrow from 3. 2 and 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is the answer? 58,999. And the last question is 4 minus 6. Not possible. So borrow from 6. It is 14. 14 minus 6 is how much? 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 6. Again it is not possible. So borrow from 6. So 6 becomes 5. And 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is how much? Very good. It is 9. 5 minus 6 is, yes, not possible. So borrow from 8. So it is 7 and 15. 15 minus 6 is, yes, 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. So once you check these answers, you can pause the video and you can check the answers. Now today we are going to learn multiplications. Understood? Additions, subtractions completed. So what is the next operation? We have 4 fundamental operations now. So additions and subtractions completed. Next one is multiplication. So for example, if you multiply two numbers, 12 into 5 is equal to 60. What we call 12? We are multiplying 12 and 5. We are multiplying 12 and 5. So 12 into 5 is equal to 60. Here 12 is called the multiplicand. 12 is known as multiplicand. 12 is known as multiplicand and 5 is known as multiplier. Is known as multiplier. Understood? 12 is known as multiplicand and 5 is known as multiplier. Okay children. Next 60. 60 is nothing but product. 60 is, answer is called product. And what is the symbol of multiplication? What is the symbol of multiplication? Into. So 12 is called multiplicand, 5 is known as multiplier and the answer 60 is known as product. Understood? Multiplications also we should start from ones place. So what is the first problem? Once open your classwork and textbook, enter these questions in classwork. Practice zone 10. Practice zone 10. If you are perfect in multiplications, then if you are perfect in tables, then only you can do the multiplications. Understood? Are you perfect in tables? So from today onwards, at least from today onwards, Okay children. So multiply the following. Multiply the following. What is the first question in that? This is practice on 10 from textbook Nana. 2893 into 87. 2893 into 87. Here 2893 is known as multiplicand and 87 is known as multiplier. By which number we are multiplying? That number is called the multiplier. Now we have product. So 293 into 87. 87 right under tens place and ones place. 8 under tens place and 7 under ones place. Now what is the symbol of multiplication? Into. Here 2 digits are there. We don't know 87th table. So first we should multiply by 7. So multiply the total multiplicand by 7. After that multiply the total multiplicand by 8. Okay children, 7 threes are how much? Yes, it is 21. Here how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So we have to write only ones place digit under ones place. 7 threes are 21. So write aside. So cancel 1 and write under ones place and leave these 2. It is nothing but a carryover. Now 7 nines are 63. 63 and here 2. 63 and more 2 tens are there. So 63 plus 2 is 65. So you are added 2 now. So cancel that 2 and write 65. Now again we have to copy only 5 under tens place. 65 tens and also cancel 5 and write under tens place. 6 is carryover for hundreds. Now 7 eights are 56 and more here 6. 56 plus 6 is, yes, it is 62. 62. Now cancel 2 and write in hundreds place. Write in hundreds place. 6 is carryover. Carryover to thousands. Now 7 twos are 14 plus 6 is 14 plus 6 is 20. Here also 2 digits are there, but we should copy these 2 digits at a time because there is no 10,000 place digit. To carry over this 2 into 10,000s, there is no 10,000 place digit. So because of that, we have to copy these 2 digits at a time. So multiplication by 7 is completed. Now what we should do? We should multiply by 8. So 8 in which place? 8 in which place? Tens place. Good. 8 in tens place. So when you are multiplying by tens place digit, if the multiplier in tens place, we have to put either into or 0 under ones place. Understood? So we can put either into or 0, your wish. If you want to put into or 0, into, okay. So I am keeping into under ones place because we are multiplying by tens place digit. Very good. So same procedure. 8 threes are 24. So write 24. Cancel 4 and write under tens place. 8 nines are 72. Plus 2 is, very good, 74. So 4 under hundreds. 8 eights are 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 7, 71. Again cancel 1 and write. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. Yes, it is nothing but 23. So here again we should write 23 directly. 2 and 3. Now what we should do? Multiplication finished. Multiplication is finished. Now what we should do? We have to add. To get the product, we have to add these two. So 1 and this is into. Into is nothing but 0 now. So it is 1. 5 plus 4 is, yes, it is 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 and here 2. So what is the answer? 2,51,691. Understood? Understood, children? Next problem. Second problem. 1910 into 26. 1910 into 26. Into 26. Same like this only, but numbers are different. If you multiply a number by 0, what you will get? Product of a number and 0 is, yes, it is nothing but 0. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. Only one digit, no? So write here only. 6 nines are, yes, it is 54. Cancel 4 and write under hundreds. 6 ones are 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 1 11. Again put either into or 0 under ones place because we are multiplying by tens place digit. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. So 1 8. 18. Cancel 8 and write under 1. 2 ones are 2. Plus 1 is 3. Now you have to do addition. This is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Good. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is the answer? 49,660. Next problem. And third question. What is the third problem? 3,964 into 43. 3,964 into 43. This is the question. So copy down 3,964 into 43. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. Plus 1 is how much? 19. So 9. 3 9s are 18. Plus 1 is 19. So cancel 9 and write down. 3 3s are 9. Plus 1 is 10. Next, either into or 0 under ones place. 4 4s are, yes, it is 16. 4 6 are 24. Plus 1 is 25. 4 9s are 36. Plus 2 is 38. 4 3s are 12. Plus 3 is 1 is 6 and here 1. So what is the answer? 1,69,552. Understood multiplications? Understood for everybody? Now today's homework is multiply the following. Once take out your worksheets, page number 11. Page number 11. Today's homework, page number 11. Page number 11, 13th bit. Multiply the following. Here 4 multiplications are there. So you have to do these 4 multiplications. So page number 11, 13th bit.